The hell is this? Fucking hell, man. Bull pump in the morning like that? Jesus. That is definitely a bull pump right there. Why did it do that? Honestly, like why? What news was there? Crazy. Wow. Interesting pump. I don't think we're coming back here. Just saying. That pump was weird, man. That's a fucking weird pump. Morning, Q10. How are you? Yeah, I'm okay, bro. I'll be honest with you. I'm oversizing. That's why. I actually ended up screwing up on my account here, bro. Played around with fire too much, man. Originally, I took a long. I actually had my original thesis on shorts, but the long should have played out, and it didn't. And I'll be honest with you. I think I'll show you the one where I blew up my account first, just because like this is like the idea, right? I took a short originally because my anticipation was for it to actually do a double bottom, and this was a mistake. So I kind of tricked myself into believing that it's going to run back up first and then come back down. But then I also forgot that I'm tacking on a lot of risk here, man. I'm tacking on from 19940s all the way down to 19860s. That's almost 100 points of risk, right? If I were to take a long position, so I should be looking at the larger time frame. So I originally had shorts, and it actually would have played out playing shorts. And my longs, my stop loss should have been wider, right? Because my risk overall on this trade should have been about 100 points, and definitely wasn't the right type of trade for me. So I ended up blowing up this account. And then over here, I took some FOMO trades into shorts. I took some longs. I took some shorts. Didn't really have a good idea here going on. And I just basically overtraded that until I blew up. So that's my bad. My other 5 accounts, I took a short. I stuck with the short thesis. I waited. And then over here, it literally just hit a double bottom. And then over here, I just jumped in longs because this is like literally a 60-point candle at the lows, which tells me that buyers are interested at this price. That's why I took that long. Now, this long would have worked out because usually when we're at a support level and you get like very strong buying volume like this specifically, I think that's pretty bullish in my opinion. Like it's pretty obvious to be bullish, right? We just like had all this selling just to wick out one candle over all of that. Tells me a bigger picture is forming right here. So I took the longs for that. This is not a news candle, it's just 908. 908 a.m. This was the news candle, 8:30. There's no news candle here. I mean, like, unless there was, I don't know. But to me, that kind of looks bullish, right? When that happens. Yeah, and there was no news. Yeah, there was no news. Good morning, Elsie. How are you? Didn't see you yesterday, man. My family's coming over today, so I don't know like how long my stream's gonna be because my birthday's like tomorrow. So I'm just kind of like I might just hop off whenever. I'm not sure when. They should be here by like probably 10 or 11 or something like that. Most likely 11 o'clock. My fiance's working, and thanks, man. Appreciate that. It doesn't feel like it, man. It's like as you get kind of older, kind of care less about your birthday. It's kind of funny. That's how I feel about it, man. This year would be the year I become profitable. I appreciate that, man. I hope so. I really hope so. But all I can do is be positive about it. When's your birthday? July 20th? Wow. Long way. June, July, yeah. I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know what's gonna happen today. I don't know whether they want to push it lower or higher, stay within the range. I mean, after that pump there, I'm not sure. And I had this odd sense that we're gonna come back to 20,000s. So, yeah, the other 4 accounts are copy trading with this account. I actually had 5 and 5 split. So honestly, that probably isn't a good idea to have 5 and 5 split for me, because obviously, like, I had 5 accounts and I take my trades based on these 5 accounts. And then me switching over to my other 5 accounts, it's like I'm hoping to make more money off of those 5 accounts. It's probably better off for me to just trade it all together so that um I have a better sense of like the proper trades that I want to take, rather than just, you know, jumping in and out. So that's I think that might be the reason why like I kind of messed up on these accounts, because last night I took a trade too, right? I took a trade right here. I took the shorts and I held it to this point. I had a good stop loss here at 20,020s. I was expecting it to go lower to 19,940s. Yeah, $15,000, which is a long way. That's why I'm pretty aggressive about it, to be honest with you. Like I I want to be able to trade like 3 to 5 micros, because I know for a fact it's going to take me a lot of time. It's going to take me a ton of time to make $6,500 per account when I start trading like responsibly. So it's gonna, if I trade right now too slow, if I trade as slow as I am now, it's like I won't be able to start my processes until like later in the month. So I gotta size up a little bit and kind of just like try to play out the proper trades that I'm looking for. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to get past what I want to do, right? In a month, it's a little bit on the higher side. Will it reset after a month, or will it just take monthly fee and add on? Next month, it's gonna be 33.40 instead of 16.70. I did burn, like, honestly, like I burned through $23 over 5 accounts, right? So that's like about $120 that I spent on these Apex evals, which isn't bad to me, because my tax money, my tax return is gonna come and pay for it. Uh, but yeah, overall, like those 250K accounts are nice, man. Like they really are. Look, let's go back. Let's check it. I'm gonna check it right now, cause maybe I go back to the 50K or some shit. Yeah, maybe I'll actually start with the 50K, because if I'm gonna switch to micros anyways, I'm gonna be okay, I think. Like if I use one micro, and I'll aim for $2,000 payouts instead. But my problem is that like each of these accounts were gonna cost about $125,000, $125 US each, right? Which I'm not too excited for. Let alone like, yeah, it's like 33.40 anyways, right? I don't know. It's expensive, man. Buying even 10 of these accounts. About the profit that you accumulated, will it reset after a month, or will it just take the monthly fee and add on? Um, yeah, it is on the higher side. That's why I'm a little bit more aggressive today. 9:30 just opened up here, so I think we're gonna come back and retest this maybe. Kind of interesting morning pump just to dump it all the way back lower, right? Yeah, we're coming back in to retest that. And I might actually take a long here, bro. All right, I'll see you soon, Kutan. If not, I'll probably see you. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it. You too, bro. Sheesh. What the fuck was that, guys? Pretty strong. Straight flush in the morning. Straight pump to straight flush, huh? Interesting to see right here. I actually don't know what's gonna happen. We probably cracked the lows here. Bit of an imbalance on the upside. But yeah, London session is here, and then literally it just cracks into 19.813s. There's a level right here at 19.813s. I'd rather go for 19.813s to be honest, in terms of risk. So if I were to get a long entry, it'd be down here, right? You're better off taking shorts at this price with that volume in the morning here. Had a lot of people fooled, right? I'm gonna take a shot at it. I want to see it crack the lows. 19.813s is my goal. I'll take some off of this just in case. But 19.813s is my goal here. Nice crack of the lows. Just a bit of a bounce here. And that's a re-entry potentially right at this level maybe. Nineteen eight sixteens. I'll say 19.820s is the support. Or even 25s here. Yeah. Immediately back in the range. I don't want to play against something like that too. Where we just wicked under. Is this the open? This is the open. I'll be watching the open here. Open price retest, right? Sellers poured back in. I'm going to say rejection of the open. So I'm putting my stop at the highs here. Just expecting to reject that, but yeah, market's moving radically right now. Very erratic. We just swept the lows just to come back up here. Right? That tells me that sellers are still here, but just looking like it's really strong. Okay, 45-minute candle is still there. OB here. Already retested the OB. Okay. Well, it looks like they're kind of like doing an ICT concept here. Somewhat. So I think we might come back up to 20Ks, man. It's really doing what I think it is. I don't want to go against the bulls. I don't know what's up with that. News candle. News candle rejection. Let's see what the market's doing, man. Okay, so look at the 15 minute. I'm looking at the 15 minute. We're coming back in to retest this level here. And it does look like we also have a little small fair value gap right at this price too. Which clearly we swept the lows, so that's the liquidity grab. We broke it back above. We initiated the long bias here. And then we also have a fair value gap on the 5 minute just right here as well. It looks like we bounced off of this key. I think bulls are more in control, yeah. Still believe that, yeah. Yeah, we're opening over the range now. Yeah, looks like a nice double bottom, triple bottom now with really strong buying volume. Yeah, I think we open up here. Closed above it. Nice engulfing on the sell candle. Anything, I'd probably jump in some here. Second time where the buyers came through like that. What the hell is going on? We have a gap on the downside. You know what? Thanks, man. Yeah. I'm going for more, man. I'm just gonna go for it. I think it's worth it. Today seems like it's very strong volume. So like might be worth going for bigger profits today. I actually hit my drawdown on my other accounts though, LC. Blew up these accounts. It is like a lot of work to be honest with you to try to finish it, but that took me like about 8 days and I blew it up today because I just made a few mistakes. I just oversized like crazy, like 500 to 1,000 contracts. So it's kind of like it makes sense that I blew up. But yeah. All right. Looks like we're rejecting, man. I'm gonna go for the shorts here. I'm going to go for the 14s like I wanted before. Still think 14s are great here. All right, I'm going to take some off here on the table. Looks like a nice macro retest for it to break higher now. I think we'll break out here, honestly. Yep. I think it's going to break. The way it's looking right now. And then it just stopped me out. Waiting for my first trade yesterday. I did not take a trade. That's fine. I realized that you weren't here yesterday, so I assume you were busy. Probably had things to do, right? What account size are you using, Elsie? Are you using 250K or something, or? It's a fair value gap projection. $50K? Yeah, I've been thinking about doing the 50K again. For real. I've been thinking about it. Going back to the 50K. I'm watching 14s right now. The way the market's moving, it just looked like it wants to go lower on the larger time frame. I think we'll open up with another candle and then probably push lower. I think this right here is the 5-minute fair value gap retest and also another fair value gap right here. And it looks like we're closing inside the range here. So this looks like a very high probability fair value gap type of play for me. And I'm going to look for 14s or 15s here, or even the low of this wick, the 40s, to retest the lows here. We're inside of the other one, but if we crack below this, I think we're just going straight down. Yeah. Nice close. Okay. Entered 1 and DCA2, so traded 3 contracts in total some seconds ago. Nice. I'm the same, bro. Just dollar cost averaging some trades here. Right. Sellers does look stronger on the larger time frame, the 15-minute, and we did close out below the fair value gap right here. We also rejected the larger time frame fair value gap. And there's only currently this sell side liquidity right here, which is 19820s. I think we're going to fill that. This is definitely the risk profile. I know that 19820s is the risk area. So I wanted to see it down here. You'll go on micros? Hey. I've been thinking about it, man. I think I might get a bunch of 50K accounts too. But they're expensive, eh? They're so expensive, you know what I mean? Like 3340 compared to 1670. And then on top of that, the activation fees. I feel like the 250K has more value for me to take, which is why I have it. Even if I have only 5 accounts on the Apex evals when I pass them, then that's like I'm perfectly fine with that too, you know? Looks like we're bouncing off of this buying range here. It looks like the buyers here are very strong in comparison to the sellers. And we keep rejecting this level here. Specifically, we're bouncing above it. We're coming back in the range. And then we're immediately retesting the highs. I think the probability right now of the market is to the upside rather than the downside. We'll see in 12 minutes, actually. Let's take a look. I'm looking at the larger time frames right now. And I'm looking at VIX. And VIX to me looks bullish because it has 3 dojis on the 3 hour to the upside. But we have a gap on the downside here for VIX. Which usually if there's a gap to the downside on VIX, it means that it's bullish on NASDAQ. We'll see what happens here. Maybe I'll wait for it to break outside the range. And when it does, then that's when I'll take a trade. I have three monitors. I use one for TradingView, one for like my regular TradeAvate, and then one for liquidity. So I use Bookmap. Look, 50s look really good here, and to be honest with you, I want to see 50s. Bookmap is very useful. Bookmap will give you larger order brackets. Right now, we have like a massive order on 19700s. Like 800 lots on 19700s. I think the market's going to pull it down. It's like it kind of tells you like market direction in a sense. It helps you profile like who's in the trend right now. Is it short sellers or buyers? And right now when I look to like my left, the book map is showing me that there's a lot more contracts on the sell side than the buy side. So I think that means that sellers might overtake this trend fairly soon. And when they do, it's going to be rinsing right under here. It might be a flash drop, whatever it is, I don't know, because we're getting a lot of those big swings here. But bookmap is very useful for that reason, right? I'm gonna get rid of that and then just draw a couple lines here. It's clearly like this is the resistance, right? That's the open, and this is the open low. And we keep cracking above the open, and we're kind of rejecting the open low. So this straight now tells me that the trend is more bullish than bearish. I think we actually might break above here on 19970s and then come back down. That's what I think will happen here. So I'm going to look to take longs because it looks like we closed above the open one more time. Looks like bulls are definitely in control at the moment. But things change very quickly, so you never know. It looks like VIX is starting to form a red candle on the 3 hour. And it looks like there's some resistance here on this on the buy side for VIX. It's telling me that it's bearish today on VIX. So we'll see. What about you, Elsie? How many monitors do you use? Look at that. Choppy, man. Look at that sandwich here. Rejecting that 5-minute fair value gap very cleanly too. I think the crack of this low, I'll just jump. Yeah, looks like it's rejecting really well. I'm going to take a short here. I'm in shorts. I'm going to take some more on this break of the structure. And I'm going to look for the crack of the lows here. I want it to crack the lows here. I think 814s would be a perfect level. Yeah. Eight 14s. I'm going to take some off the table right now, just in case. All right. 8 14s here would be perfect. My stop loss will be the high here. Probably 50% of this retrace. I don't want it to come above 980s here, so even maybe 50% of that, I don't even want it to come back up. If it comes back up, like, I don't really want to play with it. Just want to see it continue lower here, guys. Retesting the 5-minute and immediately stopped out 5 points above it. Something, man. It's just not really that good. It looks like it's really respecting this opening range here in the morning, right? We are sweeping it constantly, but they're holding it here, man. They're holding it here. 15-minute looks more bearish. The VIX is super bullish. VIX just broke out. So that tells me that VIX is going to move higher here, guys. Yeah, VIX is going to move higher. Most likely. So if VIX is moving higher, then the market should sell off. It should sell off here. Yeah, we're cracking back below. If we close below this, I am going to stick my shorts here. Okay, we close below. I'm back in shorts. I want to see 19 840s here, 19 814s. I want to see it sweep here at least 50 points to the downside. And my risk is going to be the high of this candle, 922s, 923s. 1-to-1, 1-to-1. 4 micros, 1-to-1. Stop loss is 50 points. Target price 50 points. Yeah. We close below this 5-minute gap as well. So the probability of this trade is much higher now on the sell side. Right? We're going to sweep just like we've been doing. We're going to sweep this low. I'd like to see a sweep of the low here, honestly. I think we're going to sweep under here. I'll take off 2 probably right here, just right underneath of it, and then I'll take off the last 2 at the 14 target price, which is the risk on the larger time frame. The risk is right here. So sell side liquidity, this is the little support, this is the little resistance here. That's the target that I'm aiming for. And the shorts right here is just being a liquidity sweep under the current low. That's what I'm looking at. And then I can get that right here. All right. I would like to see it drop under that. Drop right under. Yep, we just cracked the prior low. I don't really like what I'm seeing, but yeah. I want to sweep under here. 35s. fuck, guys? I'm not gonna let it go above that. What the fuck is happening, bro? Yeah, coffee time. What is happening, bro? What's happening? What is happening, man? Okay. Are we gonna come back up? Probably, yeah. I think they're gonna come swinging back up here, and then we're taking another short. They're consolidating it downward, though. That's a good thing, right? This right here, look at this. This is a bearish pennant. This is a bearish descending pennant. This is a descending pennant. This is definitely a bearish pennant. I know that. I know this one. This is a bearish pennant. Bearish pennant forming. Yeah. It's taking some time, but it's getting there. Swings are big, so you have to be careful. But definitely bearish pennant. Buyers look very fulfilled in this range too, but I think sellers will win. Sellers will win first, and then we'll come back up. So maybe like 100 or some shit. 2 minis on the short side. Risk 19,980s. Yeah. VIX is about to break out. Okay. What news do we have at 10 a.m.? We don't. Oh, okay. That's why. There it is. The fuck was that? That's a big wick. Now, I would take shorts into that still. That just... Me taking shorts into that is without a doubt. We're going to retrace that candle here, guys. Oh, jolly. It's going back up. You know what I hate about the trailing drawdown? The trailing drawdown, right here is news candle, 10 a.m. news candle. That's what I hate about trailing drawdown with Apex is that even if like you're past the trailing drawdown, they still trail. You know what I mean? Like I'm already at 6,636, but this thing still trails. Such a bull crap thing. Because like I know a lot of prop firms They don't do that. They don't trail after you're above the threshold. I know. I forgot what other prop firm does that. I think it's Bullnox. They don't trail after you're above it on even on the evaluation, and also with end of day drawdowns as well. Like they don't trail with Top Step. Kind of sucks. But yeah, man, I'm liking this. Yeah, trailing drawdown kind of sucks for sure. Yeah, like it doesn't make sense. Like that shouldn't trail though. You know what I mean? That should not trail. That's what I think about it. They should not trail that. Yeah, like I'm already beyond the cushion, bro. Right? I'm already beyond the cushion. They shouldn't trail it when you're trying to pass the bigger accounts. I think they need to improve on that for sure. But they don't want people passing. That's why, right? I know Apex doesn't want people passing those 250K accounts because it's a lot of drawdown, and drawdown is giving people the ability to survive longer and stay in the game, right? But yeah, dude, I think this is gonna wash out again. It's just sellers are starting to really show here on their true colors. Yeah, I am going to stick with maybe 50s and let that ride out. If it doesn't hold here. VIX looks like it's about to snap upside. And I think they will, honestly. I wonder when my parents are going to be here. Okay, so we broke through key. No key levels yet. VIX is pumping still. Yo, like, there's only one area of opportunity now. And really, like, sell side liquidity is just right at 758. So we're actually closing below now. We're inside the range, but I'm gonna wait because I'm kind of like sketched out about this price action. Like, look at this 1 minute, bro. This doesn't make sense. Like, look at this. It looks sketchy, bro. It looks sketchy. I'm not gonna trade this right now. This right here is not a trade zone for me. Way too sketchy. Okay, we broke out of the range. Now I want to take shorts. I actually wouldn't mind taking shorts now. So we have pretty much the direction in a sense, in a nutshell here. 199. We come back up here, maybe like right here, I would take it. I don't know. We broke out of the range. Yeah. My friend lost like $4,000 in the past like week, bro. 4K, man. He had like $6,000 in the month, and I literally like gave him all of the different types of trades to take. He took all the trades, he made money off of it, and then made like $6,000 in a month, and or in 2 weeks. Then he rinsed out $4,000. I told him that the market would sell off, but he really wanted to chase longs, so I was like, I didn't really say much after that, you know. Maybe I should have tried to convince him more to not take longs at the highs of the market. Like he took longs right here, bro. I feel bad for him. Like he actually took longs on this day, on this one, on the 25th, and I was telling him like I was like, dude, it's gonna sell off. And then literally the day after, it just dumps, and then he's instantly down 4K on the day. And I'm like, okay. He's like, I'm gonna hold till Friday. I'm like, don't. Today's Friday, and look what's happening. It's dumping. Drop a lop. Yeah, exactly. Drop a lop. Drop a lot. Oh my god. Drop a lop. Yeah, drop a lot. Yeah. I thought it's funny. I thought you said lop as in like just like it's like a little funny word or some shit. But you meant to say lot. That's funny. Um there you go. I gotta start posting videos more, man. Fat fingers. Same. Same. Damn, that was an A plus setup, bro. Actually, the shorts have been paying, like actually paying. It just takes one bad trade though to like screw up everything though, you know. But I think we're very likely to reach 600s now. From 750s to 700s, probably just go straight for the even number here, right? And then yeah, probably do like 100 contracts right now, right? Go straight for that, straight for 700s. They got a big order on 700s and they just took it off. So 10 minis all the way to 700s. Woo! What day is it today? 28th, right? So I gotta duplicate. I gotta put this here, and I'm gonna call this March 28th trades. Blew up 5x evals. Date and time. Took solid trades. Just impatient. That's all. General. I'll take shorts and look at the 15, the 5. Swap the higher time frame execution. Entry was around 19.25. No. You know, the reason why I blew up that 5 evaluations was lack of discipline and trading before 8:30 or 9:30, and then on top of that, I was trading around the news and just basically gambling my account. So that's probably why I blew up, right? And I can't blame anyone but myself for that. So gambling off of 8:30 news was my problem. Bad trade for 7. Yo, I would just look at it. Think about it like this, Elsie. On the 15-minute chart, where do you see support? 600s. So I would obviously look to avoid buying the lows and just look for shorts anywhere along the trend upside here, or potential target of 19,600. But that's okay, you know, like it just happens, right? Sometimes we want to chase longs into trends, but it's stupid too, right? This is I would make the mistake too doing that, hoping it comes back, but I know how the market is when sellers are in. They are very strong, right? But gambling off 8:30 news was my problem, and trading before 9:30 open, which typically is my lowest win rate type of days. So I traded before 9:30, and obviously my account blew up, right? I blew up 5x evals. Started trading on my other 5 evaluations and did much better because I traded after the open and after volatility. Okay, so I'll remember that. That's for next time. Always got to dialogue my trades. So from 710s down to 760s would not be a bad idea, right? That would not be a bad idea. $660s. Just like literally 10 points off. Yeah. 100 contracts for 760s. If I can get an entry here. I learned not to trade openings. I wait until 3 fractals are formed. That's good. Yeah, that's definitely good that you do that, because I didn't do that. That's my problem, and honestly, like in trading, that's literally my biggest problem is just trading before the open. I need to correct that myself, and I think I'm on my way, man. Like if I learn to correct that habit of not trading before 9:30, because I know that's like my problem right now, and even 9:45 or 10 o'clock, right? If we have 10 o'clock news, I want to trade before that or trade after that. I think that's what's gonna help me propel, right? I know for a fact it's not because I'm doing anything crazy. It's just my patience seems to run out usually before the open. This is my patience here before the open, and this is my patience after the open, right? So it kind of makes a little bit more sense here. Oh god, I'm fucking dying. How's your summer so far? Or is it like hot? It's not summer. It's basically summer for you guys, man. It's so hot there, no? 74 Fahrenheit. What is that? 74 F. 23. Yeah, it's hot. That's hot. I'd be so happy for that though. Man, look at this thing go, man. Zombie. Zombie, zombie. That drop was hard. Yeah. This is just going, man. It's just going. You can see it just going, right? I really want to just fade it right now. But I know exactly where we're going to go. We're going right to 600s, bro. We're going straight to it. It's crazy. This is like the one where they're running all the way till 10:30. So by 10:30, we'll probably hit 600s here. Right? This is like literally just straight flush to 10:30. 10:30 is right around this price here. So let's see what happens at 10:30. There you go. 10:30. The golden cross, upside down cross. Oh fuck. I'm going to hell, man. I'm going to hell. Um, Here. There we go. There we go. The upright cross. 19600s. 19600s. 990s here to... It kind of looks nice here to buy for a bounce. I think we're kind of like sitting right on top of another level here of liquidity. So we got some liquidity here for sure. Some liquidity on this price. Now, I'd rather be a buyer around 600s though. I'd rather be a buyer around 600s. I'd rather be a short seller above this level. And there might be a key factor here for a bounce up to this core level here. So if there's a bounce, it's going to be up to this point, I'd say. So around 766 for a bounce. 766. And then a continuation downward afterwards. Oh, God. I'll be right back. All right. I'm back. So here it is. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Here we are. I'm in. I will say 75. 75, 50s. $10,000 on that trade. Yeah. I would hate that for it to come back. But either 5,000 for this. Yeah. Come on. No. Okay, wash under first, then wash over. Oh, buddy. That sucks. Wash under first. Come on, boys. Give me a washout. Wash right under. 50 points or something. Quick drop. Then blow up. I blew it up. All right. That's it for me, guys. Blew up all my 10 evals. Bro, I can't believe they fucking wicked me out. Then they're going to run 75 points. That's crazy, dude. That's so fucking annoying. That's so fucking annoying, man. That is so annoying. Why did I even do that? Well, I gotta go anyway, so. Okay. Well, what do I do now? What do I do now? This is where it is. Longs. Fuck, eh? I should have waited for them to touch it first. Shit. What a fuck up. It's gotta come back up. It's gonna come back up here. God damn it, guys. Why did I do that? 10 minis doesn't make sense. Why the fuck did I do that? Full autism, bro. Actually. It's actually crazy what I'm fucking doing. Wow, bro. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Huh. Why the fuck did I do that? Fuck. Can't do anything now. Whatever. It is what it is. Takes a lot of work. Seriously. Takes a lot of work to pass these accounts when I'm doing it like this. Hmm. Fuck, that sucks. This is a very obvious play too. Shit. What can I do now? What can I do? I should have bought more of those like 250K rips accounts, because that would have gave me it would have been 1670 a month anyways, permanently. It would have been nice. Oops. Hmm. That is so unfortunate. Wow. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna probably hop off. I gotta go see my family. Nothing I can really do now other than wait till my account resets or something like that. I don't really want to spend more money on the prop firms at the moment, so it's kind of maybe I'll take a little bit of a hiatus from streaming just so that I give myself a little bit of space and time just to breathe and figure out what I want to do. But yeah. Anyways, what's up, Shelton? How are you? Good morning, man. Yeah, sometimes a break is good, man. Maybe the weekend will help me out. Yo, Shelton, I blew up my accounts, man. I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm not bad. I like definitely have better attitude for everything. So yeah, I blew up all of them. I had the 10 accounts here, and basically straight up just blew it up one trade. I blew up 10. So it was about 10 over 1670, right? It's like about 240 bucks for 10 accounts. Yeah, I sized up. I sized up. This one right here was the size up. I was trying to basically pass it in this one go because this account was at 6.6. I had 6.6 thousand on it, and the other one I had 5.3. 250Ks. Why did I blow it? It's because I just sized up. That's it. I sized up because like I knew this was the area of opportunity on the larger time frame, and I just wanted to pass it. Really, honestly, Shelton. Sometimes like that mentality of trying to like pass it is so crazy, bro. It's actually insane. Sometimes your brain is just like playing these kind of little tricks on you, and it's like, okay, it's taken a long time for me to pass these accounts. I gotta size up so that I can. Yeah, yeah. I figured, man. I figure, yeah. Like It's just the mentality. It's like the lack of patience is what makes it really hard, right? I shouldn't be like that though, you know? I definitely shouldn't be like that. But it does happen. Like the first 5 accounts that I had, $5,000, I was up 5K. I traded that for 8 days. But then I kind of like lost my patience a little bit because I was like, man, I just want to pass these right now. So I sized up, and obviously, like the drawdown was not according to it. Yeah, neglected journaling, and it shows. Yeah, same here, man. Happened to me too. So I originally had my thesis this here, right? Didn't really go well, and then look immediately right after I started oversizing here, and I think it's just because like I just want to pass it. That's actually the reason why. But that's also a very bad way of like looking at it because it's like if I only had like let's say for example $200 left on my account that I had to make in order to get paid out or something like that, and then I decide that I should oversize, that's what's gonna ruin me, right? 250, 250K, 250. My 250K accounts, 250,000 accounts. My first 5 sets, I was doing well, right? Not bad too. Like we want to do this as a profession, so we need to make a little bit of time, but the opportunities important make it difficult. Yeah, dude, it's time. For me, it was time. It's time, bro. I know that it's gonna take me at least like a month and maybe even 2 months to pass these accounts. It could take me a whole month, honestly, like more than a month, maybe a month and a half to pass the accounts. And I think I just lost that patience for it. So that just happens, man. I can't really control that, right? For these ones, same idea. I took my longs here, trying to pass it in one swing because it's gonna be like I was expecting a 50-point move off of the 600s. It did exactly that, 50-point move right off of it, and yeah, I blew them up. So weird. On my second account, I had 100% win rate. It was up about to 270K and blew it in one trade. 270K. I thought the profit target was only 15K. Oh, 2570. Yeah. Yeah. It's not bad though. Yeah, like we did really good, man. We really fucking did good, you know? Like I definitely think we both did really good with it. I think we just got caught up on it a little bit. So it's just funny, man. You can't do anything but laugh about it because it's like, oh fuck, that's actually jokes, like in the way that I yeah, you did good, man. Like if you're up 7K on it, you're doing something right. Same idea. The drawdown definitely helps though. The drawdown definitely helps though. Like helps you go beyond because it's like you're not really scared of the space. I bet you that if you get those accounts funded or even the 150K or the 250K and we get those funded, I'm sure that we'll excel, bro. Bro, I'm laughing, man. All I can do is laugh about it because it's like why be miserable about it, At the end of the day, it's like are you really going to like make yourself suffer mentally over a small loss, Shit happens, bro. And I know that shit happens. Yeah, me too, man. I'm gonna let mine renew next month as well. The 5 accounts. They had a discount for rips yesterday. Um, but I'm gonna let them reset next month. I think they're gonna come out with another discount pretty soon for the 90%, and then I'll probably just buy another 5. Yeah, me too. Discipline and patience, man. We got this, bro. We fucking got this. It was 90% off as well, but it's over. Yeah, I probably should have said something in the group. Honestly, fuck. But I'm sure that they're gonna come up with something again. They're gonna come up with something. Like they already did it with Patrick. They did it with Nutty Bar. They did it with Alpine Trader. They did it with Rips. They're gonna do it again, for sure. Sellers are strong with this one. I'm so tempted though, honestly, on like taking a shot at this and running it down, but I'm not gonna, like I can't. I cannot do that to myself, so this would be a good level for sure. My birthday, man. My family's coming. My birthday's here. I got it all here. I'm waiting for my family. Tomorrow. My mom's coming today, and my dad's coming today, and my sister. I'm gonna go meet up with my sister and everything. My fiance's working today, unfortunately. She actually booked off like the Saturday for my birthday, but thanks, man. Appreciate it. I'm gonna be 28. 28 years old, bro. This is gonna flush under, man. If it does, like, practically a free trade. Thank you. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. I usually don't know what to do for my birthday, anyways. I don't really spend much on my birthday. I don't really do much on my birthday either. Because it's like, I don't really know. Like, as I get older, like, my birthday just becomes less relevant to me and trading becomes much more relevant. It's pretty fucked. I'm just like, screw it. But yeah, thank you, Shelton. Appreciate it. Just 1 year closer to getting older, you know what I mean? Another year there, another year here. Just keeps piling on. It's kind of funny. Yeah, I do celebrate. I'm gonna go eat pho, man. Alright, so this right here shows that we're just gonna go lower. I think we're going 19,400 now. So it's like kind of questionable. Like if I buy like 3 minis here and I short it all the way to 400s, it's like that's 200 points, right? $4,000 a contract. That's like 12 grand over 3 contracts, right? 12K over 3 contracts here. That would be crazy to have, no? Let's check my credit card. Let's check my credit card and see what I can buy for myself on my birthday. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, my credit card's looking pretty good, man. Not bad, not bad, you know? Not bad. What should I do with that? Hmm. What can I do with my credit card? What kind of damage can I do, guys? More damage or less damage? What do I choose? Today is a day to make money, though, for sure. Like, without a doubt, man. Today is it. Ah, what do I do? That is a short entry right here, boys. So from 605s to 565s, most likely. We're going right under here. So yeah, there's no reason to go against the market today. That's what I strongly believe in at the moment. Yeah, that's a strong re-entry right there. All right, so I'd be in a short entry at this point. I'd probably be in shorts right there already. And I think we can run to 500s next. That's without a doubt, man. There's no thoughts about that. We're just like running 500, 600, 400, 700, 800s. Like we're just running all the even numbers, right? So the next one after 600s is 500s. And then literally after 500s, it's just straight up 400s and then 300s. So it's like I'm just looking at the model of hundreds at this point. I don't really care about anything else. Just look at the 100-point structure, and from 600s to 400s would be ideal. Six tens, 660s. Yeah. Okay. You know, wake up and profit. I might try this, guys. I'm thinking about it. I really like the ideas of daily payouts still, you know, versus everything else. Like, I would love to have daily payouts. Yeah, like YOLO, bro, all the way down to 500s, man. Straight up, like, if I bought like 3 minis right now, it's like straight up to 500s. But I don't know, like, why else would they bait out 600s? They've literally flushed it over under 600s. Yeah, like, I love the idea of having daily payouts, man. Daily payouts would be beautiful, right? In comparison to everything. What are your thoughts on that, man? What do you think, Shelton, on daily payouts? Take profit trader. Take profit trader, man. Like, they only have an 80-20 split, but it's like they're just so much cheaper than the average prop firm, right? And they give you daily payouts after 1500, and it's just like I love that idea too. You know, might have to go with that. Are you gonna go with that, or are you saying I have to go with that? 1,000 to get 800, and I know I can do $1,000 daily. Yeah, I feel the same way, man. Diversifying. Yeah, dude. Daily payouts would be nice. You'll go to Take Profit Trader too. Top Step, MFFU, and Apex. That's good, man. Like, it's just the concept is nice, man. It's just really good to have a concept like that. I'd probably end up going with the 50K accounts. I was really close last time. I really fucking pushed it, man. I pushed it all the way to like my 1500, and then link them through Ninja Trader. Everyone loves Take Profit Trader, man. Everyone loves them. The Apex may be my last time going with the 250. I think I'm gonna stick with the 250s as well. I actually think I might stay with it because you need to have an account that's like keeping you stable, right? I'm gonna stick with mine. I'm gonna keep my 5 Apex accounts still for next month to reset, and then I'm going to live off of Take Profit Trader because they don't have rules, bro. I think that's another big thing. They don't have rules, no consistency rules, no bullshit. Literally just trade, and if you're above it, you make it. The only problem with them is that you have to do this like a few times over and shit. But yeah, problem is with Take Profit Trader, I would only be able to trade with like one. You can't hear it? Yeah. Can you hear me now? Oh, no worries. Hmm. Thinking about this. I don't know what's going on, man. I need to call my parents. What's up, Kutan? What happened? You know what happened. Yahtzee, bro. Yahtzee, dude. Try to ring it out in one trade. I tried to finish my Apex accounts in one trade. That's what happened. And I got burned. So unlucky, my guy. Unlucky. Yeah, what a rejection, right? 70s to 620s. Damn. $7,000 in one trade. Would be nice. No? Would be nice. Nice, bro. Nice, Elsie. Better habits, strategy implementation, patience. Yeah, I was patient. I was patient for sure. After that, but you know, sometimes you just break out of it, right? Sometimes the things happen when you want to like just pass the account. It's a work in progress, bro. There's a reason why like I'm not profitable yet, and I'm gonna learn from that. But I'm not bothered by it, man. This stuff happens. I just gotta look for opportunities. That's it. 59 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 trades. It's not it says 59 trades, but it's not, bro. It's not 59 trades, it's 11 trades. They just count by the contracts when you're exiting the trade and entering the trade. They actually count your trade by scaling too. So if you scale out of your trade, it's gonna count as a trade apparently. If you scale into your trade, the same thing counts as a trade. But I only took 11 trades. Yeah. It's weird, right? No, a lot of them were good quality actually. This one was good. This one was not bad. This one was solid. This one was actually a good entry. Just you know, the problem is for me, man. It's just the size, right? Just size, man. Size is probably the biggest component. Count killers, right? I just sized up because I wanted to pass. Yeah, I was up for 5K, but I ultra sized up, bro. I ultra size. No good. For take profit trader, man. I don't know. It's just like my friend, right, is doing fairly well with take profit trader, and he's always getting paid out, right? And I always see people get paid out like $3,000 to $4,000 for daily payouts, especially. And I feel like it's very good to take advantage of something like that because it's like once you pass your account, it's $3,000 to pass. Your trailing drawdown is $2,000, but once you get beyond that, it's like everything after that. It's like you only have to make 250 a day for 5 accounts to make $1,000 a day, right? I would love that. And 2K should be easy to hit, right? $2,000 should be easy to hit. Yeah, I really was, Kutan. I was definitely forcing myself to pass the eval, right? I'm trading really good though. Like I have a very good like strategy. Like I have a very solid strategy in play right now. So like I've been playing off of my strategies and it works perfectly. Just now it's just having to pass the evaluations and sizing down. I keep making the same mistake, of course, where I size up, right? But it's the opposite. I should size down. Yeah, like my funded accounts are doing. Yeah, no worries, man. Enjoy your day, Shelton. I'll catch with you. I have to call my parents actually. I don't know what they're doing. They said that they would come over, but how to trade, but the pressure is killing me. Uh yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah, you're right about that. Pressure of trading does kill you. That's definitely a strong pressure. But Kutan. Funnily enough, I'm not so stressed though, right? I'm not like I don't feel bad about it because like it's like okay, I tried to I tried to shoot my shot and um one bad trade. That's all. Have a daily max loss and don't go over it. Yeah, no, I get that. But you know how it is, man. Combines and evaluations are easy. Actually, they're very easy to pass. Just $15,000. I broke into the pressure of making 15K. Yeah, trading opens and pre-market before openings is killing me. Yeah, that's true, man. Very, very true. I might recover and it'll hit beat me hard. Yeah, I know. Which is why like I gotta chill out. I gotta chill. Now I'm thinking about all my choices right now, right? Oh, my sister's calling me. Give me a sec. Hello? What's up? Yeah, I told Dad, but he said that he's coming over, so like we'll just probably drive by afterwards. I'll call them right now to see what they're doing first, and then I did. I told Dad, but Dad said that he was coming over. I was like, okay, yeah. So I'll call him. All right. Gotta call my dad. Sheesh. Bruh. My dad ain't picking up. What the hell? Hmm. Okay, so short entry right here. Definitely a short entry. I think that's a solid short entry right there, man. Triple reject of the of this fair value gap on the 1 minute. And let's see here. We got a little gap right there. See how they close that. The issue is some date. Oh, 1 second. Hello? Yeah, what's up? Okay. Yeah. I'll just take Subway. All right. 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay. All right. Later. Bye. All right, guys. I gotta go. Duty calls, family calls, man. Um, yeah, I can't do anything. Another problem. Actually, another thing, guys, is that honestly, I think I might have broken in the pressure of like also trading more aggressively, considering the fact that like I have to go do my own thing today, and sometimes I break into that pressure too. It's not just the trading component to it. I definitely traded way more aggressively today, and like sometimes I fall into like a pressure of needing to do something because like I have other events to fall like to head to, and that's like another factor sometimes to your trading, right? I always perform really bad, man, when I need to go visit my family and stuff. It's because like I put myself in this pressure state to basically accomplish something before I leave, and that's actually another reason why I probably blew up my accounts. To be real with you, it's a very bad practice, but it fucking happens, man. Seriously. But yeah, I'll be seeing y'all tomorrow, or on Monday probably, and yeah, enjoy your weekend, everybody. Just gonna be doing my thing. But yeah, thanks for coming, guys, and enjoy your day.